Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now do not close the case, open the lid, and inside the case we have this connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. So let's go. Here we go. Now we can release a finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, because not all Android phones have this button. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, this earbuds enter to print mode automatically, so you need to only tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!